Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at AVAX, see what's going on. We really got to double check a couple of things that we discussed earlier today, such as this ascending trend and the retest, bullish back test of this most recent trend line. So oftentimes you can see that bounce happen off that most recent resistance, turn support. We're going to see if that's the case. Double checking here, a quick couple of things before we get started. Liquidation, no liquidation left here in the last 7 days to the upside, implying that we still enjoy the upper levels. There's not much to the downside either though, folks. So again, generally speaking, we see no liquidation to the bottom or the top. We can kind of recognize the price action is more likely to go any direction it wants, okay? Quick congrats to our community members here from our Plus group. We did hit a trigger stop loss there for XRP, but it was offset with a nice little 18%, so really kind of a wash there. But generally speaking, day trading has stop losses. You got to recognize that. It's all about maximize your gain. And at this point, Chainlink, BNB, Chainlink again. What is it? We've got, I think, Solana, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Link. So the list kind of goes on. I'm mainly happy about our long for Bitcoin, good 28% in 20 hours there over the weekend. So again, different strategies for different scenarios, but for the most part at this point, we want to double check some things here now that we understand the liquidation levels. So let's look at the moving averages on the daily time frame, work our way down. We are above the 200-day SMA, but below a majority of others, okay? Basically, we got the 20-day SMA running down with this descending trend line. We can also see, of course, 100-day SMA and a 50-day SMA kind of hanging out there above the price action. That's generally construed as a bearish sign. We can see here as well with the MACD, stochastic RSI swinging up, and the MACD, of course, trying to converge here. That's generally a positive sign momentum-wise, okay? That's typically going to push us in the upper ranks. However, we got a resistance at 50 on the RSI still that hasn't fully been hit yet. So kind of, to each their own, but me personally, when I see this, it's generally more bullish than bearish when you see something like this. Same thing here as well with the MACD on the 4-hour time frame. We're converging, stochastic swinging up. We can see RSI and money flow index pulling up as well here. So generally favorable, okay? And again, this is not a perfect situation, folks. Trading right now is not perfect. There's a lot of inconsistencies and it can be hard to find really good confirmation. But what we're looking for here is the price to break up with this descending trend and to honor this current horizontal trend line here, which is more likely than not going to work as a support moving forward. So that concurrent with the ascending trend line, the cup and handle pattern play out, a lot of reasons why the coin should continue further up. A lot of that hinges on Bitcoin doing well and not being kind of a complete pain in the ass. If it is, then we're going to see the price action pull back for this coin too. It's not synonymous, but it is similar. We can see looking good here with the lagging span, free and clear, conversion line with a baseline. Ichimoku cloud is right there at the previous resistance level, turn support. So again, $38.58, sorry, $38.50 even, is a good solid support level for us here. We could see a pivot and a bounce, which we might have just seen that right now with the price pulling back in the last hour. So pending Bitcoin doesn't take a nosedive here, we should be in pretty decent shape to see AVAX excel and continue further up. Once more, we do have a potential resistance level at this descending trend line that is coming up probably within the next couple of days. So if the price does continue higher, it may not continue too much higher, so make sure you secure profits. Walk away with some kind of money in the bank without getting too greedy, because price action can pull back right now, especially if Bitcoin does rake back. We've seen this slight correction from Bitcoin push the price down here for AVAX. So we're playing our altcoins pretty loose right now. Even though I haven't sent a signal out for altcoins, I'm paying the attention to the market today. Absolutely planning to pull the trigger on a couple of trades, and I can tell you, Bitcoin's still in good shape. Pending it doesn't drop like a rock, we should be just fine as long as there's no nonsense in the market. Big surprise though, right? Nonsense in a crypto market? I would just expect it. Just a matter of time, right? We have no idea. Could be nonsense to the upside though. That's a good time too, right? Either way, thanks so much for watching. Like, comment below, subscribe if you haven't already. Deeply appreciate that. Of course, make sure you reference Bitunix, phenomenal exchange. Excellent rewards. Use my link to register, and no KYC or VPN required. I hope you all have a great rest of the day. Thank you so much for joining me here. Have a good one. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.